All right, I just finished my latest case. This one, this little one, this is the one I did, I think last week. All right, so they're both similar in size, 16 by 12. They're both, the main base of the color is UK British Racing Green. It's a dark green, and this one's got red highlights, and this one I did with a tan highlights, and it's a thinner briefcase. It's only 2-inch gusset. This is the 4-inch double 2-inch gussets. All right, so this is the one I just finished. It's a lightweight, little thin English style strap briefcase. It is, it's cool. It's an English style. It's that schoolboy style with the removable straps that go around. I've said this in the previous one. If you don't like to deal with these buckle straps, you can take them off, throw them in the case, and then you can just use it with the lock. Here's a close-up of the leather and the lock and the buckle straps. Here is the flat handle that I made. Right, and what else? And that's it. Here's the newspaper pocket. A little bit different from my other one. I have it sitting off the side instead of something like this, where the pocket goes all the way to the end. It looks cleaner. It's a more streamlined look to the back newspaper pocket, but this is like this. I also left that waxy bloom on the leather. I didn't shine it. I like it like that, so I'm going to just leave it. I mean, if I did another video where you could just polish it off, it does eventually just polish off. So that's that. Here's the briefcase. It's thin. It's not a big guy like this one, right? Just trying to show it, you know, with me carrying it. It's a thin portfolio. Put a laptop in here. It's just a portfolio case. Here's the straps. Go to the top. Carry it as a shoulder strap case. Nice. Cool. Around the arm. So that's it. Single, like I said, 16 by 12 by 2. Let me open up the straps real quick. Show you that. So if you want to get in and out of the bag, this is what you got to do if you're going to use these buckle straps. Yes, they're a pain in the ass to deal with, but if you don't want to deal with them, you take them off. You just get inside the bag like that. All right, so here's my latest one. Not much more to say about it. And like I would do something like this throughout my day, and you're done. You still got the strap look on it, and you're finished. All right. Thanks for watching this latest video.